Hello skaters, welcome back. I am on a little bit of an adventure today. So I am still in Padova, Italy. If you saw my last video, I went skating in this gorgeous outdoor seasonal holiday rink. Well, while I'm here, I decided to check out their less seasonal rink. It's still seasonal, but this rink has a roof and it's open, from what I understand, September to May, which is a pretty long time for a lot of rinks in Europe, from what I'm learning. Apparently a lot of rinks close in March or even end of February. So having a rink that is open September through May is pretty amazing. All right, skaters, I found the rink and it's in a really cool sporting area. Let me show you this. Over here we have a baseball stadium. There's some kind of a big stadium over there. I can't tell what that is, but it's big. Over here we have like a whole, I don't know what that's called, but there's people on their bikes. It's a whole little course. You could like bike or skateboard on it. And here we have the ice rink. Super cool little place. Palaghiaccio. The staff at the ice rink was incredibly friendly. I have very limited Italian, but they did a great job conversing with me, talking to me about when the session started, and gave me permission to film out there on the ice. Not all rinks allow that, and they were really, really friendly and welcoming. There was a hockey game going on when I arrived, so I took some time and really got stretched out and limber. I don't often have time to do that anymore with my busy coaching schedule, so it was nice to really take my time and get my body ready for the session. It was a public session, so I didn't anticipate any serious training on my part, but I still wanted to make sure I was warm and wasn't going to be prone to any injuries. They had just done a wet cut right before I stepped out on the ice, so the ice felt really good, really smooth, despite having had a hockey game going on right beforehand. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with this rink. It is gorgeous. The wooden ceiling is gorgeous. The windows, I love the natural light. It's just beautiful. I cannot wait to skate this session. The ice feels nice. Oh, literally, I'm obsessed, you guys. It's stunning. The architecture of this rink is unlike any rink I'd ever seen before. The huge windows blew me away. I loved the natural light, but this wooden wall that arched over into the ceiling was such a beautiful aesthetic rink. I mean, I would love to be able to skate in a place like this every day. I feel like it'd be so inspiring to come here. Well, all that natural light and the wood made it feel warm and welcoming and just really artistic as far as the structural design. I really don't have anything that I'm specifically working on in my skating right now. I don't have any tests I'm trying to achieve. I don't have any competitions or shows that are coming up. And honestly, my focus has been so much on coaching that I don't have much time to practice on my own. So there wasn't a specific goal in this session other than just to come out, enjoy my time out on the ice, and enjoy skating in a place so far from home. I do love teaching and sharing my sport though, so when some girls came up to me partway through the session and wanted some tips, I was so excited to be able to help them. Okay, so have you spun on 2 feet? Oh, good. Have you spun on 2 feet? They wanted to learn how to spin, and they were asking me all kinds of questions about fancy different spins that they'd seen. They were roller skaters. They had some familiarity with skating, just not on ice. So it was really, really fun to work with them, although with my very limited Italian, there was only so much that I could do. But then partway through working with those girls, another group of skaters came up to me with more questions. You did it! Good job! Good! Push! Hi! Ciao! You want to try spin?
No.
Spin? No?
We have another question.
Yeah.
We do skating on
Roller?
Yes.
Wheels?
We wanted to know
How to stop. Okay, on 2 feet?
So I spent some time teaching these girls how to stop, and really it was just such a joy for me to get to share my sport with these skaters. The whole time I was here at this rink was really, really lovely. I really had just the most wonderful time skating at this rink. The ambiance, the beautiful ice, the lovely people, it was such a good experience. And I really hope I get to skate here again one day.